Hey guys, look at my video today. I'm playing Team Dog.
This is all of your hard
I don't
work
know
and
why I need
dedication.
Team
Thank you so
Dog,
much.
but
You're
I
my
don't
hero.
care. Don't play kind of well.
I'm not your hero. I'm
What?
just another guy
Alright, oh
who's
well.
trying to inspire
I'm a male
righteousness
boy.
in this world.
It's a male.
Evan Zender, 122,
Tell,
thank you, my
boy.
brother, with the awesome face.
Tell.
Of course, I remember you and will always remember you, Evan. Hey, Corey, I'm making this level to show you my appreciation of all your hard work.
Oh, that puppy's
God
happy,
bless you,
boy.
and thank you.
But every
bless
same
you,
move,
Evan.
take this puppy. Sorry, other puppies, but I'm picking. What the fuck? That time I first, we do first the game. Take. Guys. Wait. There we go. Okay. There, no. Continue. I said stop. Freak no. Can I quit this? Can I quit this? Can I quit this? It won't let me quit it. Let me quit this. Now. Oh, whatever. It won't let me move anyways. But I just don't want to spend my money though. Promise weekly Team Dog. Add a quick code debit card or you mean code. I don't have no code. Oh my god. What? Oh god. Oh my god. Yeah, can I move? No, just let me leave. Should I put the TV on? Why you want to just push this question? Are you going to look? Oh my god. I picked the freaking wrong dog. Alright guys, I'm coming right back. I'm back guys. I just need to quit the whole freaking game. Cause what you gonna do? Stop me there. Whatever. Alright. Can I blame him live? Staying in my house? I didn't even put nothing right there. But it's cool though. Pet. Okay. Fish. Go get it. Go get it. Freaking on my boy that. Where's the one for you? Oh wait. Yeah. Stay calm. Go to sleep. No, I'm sleeping. What's wrong? Oh my. He's a good dog. Freak. Okay. New level, 10 bones. Oh my god. I mean, good golden bones, sorry. Good job, you give your puppy a name. I didn't name him a name! Oh my god. That's not his name! Okay, so. Alright. Are you sleepy? It's gonna take forever. Games. Alright, we're going to move. Oh my god, this game's over. My cat. No! I want to know my cat. But this cat is gonna make a oh my wash all my stuff. No! I get 300. I know I play this game. Huh? The freak? Oh. How do I play this? Oh my god, this game's so hard. So, what I think I do is wings. Hey, this kind of good game. But now plays. Every game is just this game. How am I supposed to do this? Oh my god. This game makes me angry. I think I put holy. I know it's balloons. Alright, we gotta go to balloon because it's kind of cool. Part 3 balloon. Oh my god. Oh, no. Yes, I know. Down's deadly. Cause bombs are deadly. Should we get all? Should we pop all the balloons set the bombs? Oh. Wait, is that a phone now? No! Oh my god! Okay, let's watch the storm ad. My cat. This is just virtual away game. It won't let me do the virtual. No? Oh my. Guess I gotta watch it. Crap. Start game. Clear. I messed up. Come on, boy. Pop. No! I didn't. Oh, close. Pop. Yeah, pop. Oh, pop. Oh, no. P-O-P. P-O-P-O-Q-R-S-T-U-V-R-S. I didn't get all the food from my dog because I forgot on that. I think it's going faster. Oh my god, it's really going faster. It's going faster. Every time we store more balloons, it's getting more faster. Don't tell me we just died. Oh, I don't care about cat. Here you go, I'm back, guys, because I gotta watch that dumb ad. This time, watch out for the bombs. The bombs are dangerous. Like in real life, the bombs are dangerous. If y'all touch them, you want the world to end it, right? Y'all want the world to end it. Nuke, they can let it end it. Alright? But I need to enjoy it. Tap! Oh my god, I'm so tapper. I don't care that yellow or the bombs in there. But it's all my food for my god. But don't only like me. So I stop right here, guys. Yeah. Back to the menu. Back to the dogs. Alright. Let's see. What else is it? Oh my gosh, shut up! Oh, he's awake! Now take care of the dog. Tap the paw button. There's your parents? But your parents are dead. That's gonna be me at you, but your parents are dead. Oh, no, don't tap it. Don't pop it. Oh my. Well, I don't care, this is my dog. Freak, why is that? Oh, no one cares. He's super bored. No one cares. It's all my dog's better. Alright, ooh, it's going to drink. He don't look so... See what? I got him a sushi. Get it. Go get it. Go eat it. Nom. What? There we go. I didn't treat my dog. Alright. Freak. Alright. Oh my god. I can use a microphone about this. I'm gonna take it back. Come on back, guys. Hey, well, guys, I'm freaking back. The same game. Snaggle. Oh my freaking money. Oh my god. Someone steal all my money. What the? Is this a robber thing? Robber game. What, you gonna steal all your money? So, don't even pay. Huh? Do you don't want to play? Sure. I don't want to play. Oh my. What? So this thing connected all that. Okay, you can play your own. Sorry. There we played. Can I pay you? Stop. Okay, pick it. Okay, I wish I would pick it up, bro. What at me? Not fine. Here. There's something you need to use the bathroom. And he's just breaking. Does it work? I give a crap. I'm bad, guys. This dumbass. His arm is freaking sleepy. This should make him sleepy. Heck. This is dead. Guys, y'all know, cover your ears. I'm covering my ears. Alright guys, you can uncover it. That song was terrifying, ugly, and dumb, and hideous. Oh, my virtual pet. Well, I have a real pet. I'll show you my real pet, but I don't get him yet. I don't want to get him yet. Okay, so. Okay. Wake up, wake up, wake up. Wait.
Parkour 3. Click here to start, and then I need to.
Alright, guys. Sorry, guys.
Well,
that was something out of will, but I
got him.
Got one. Gotta go fast.
Delete. Okay, delete. There you go.
Freak. Oh my.
The ball has no momentum.
Alright.
Delete first. There we go. And then I'm going to. Okay, here we go. So here we go. Here we go.
Hey, oh. That wasn't you, no, you. That's your new move. That's your new move. Oh my. That's your new move, boy. You don't know what happened. Heck no. So I'm going to start your bad dog. Say puppy. Guys, he's back. I've got to join you on to the next episode. I hope to see you soon. Bye, guys.